Yo, what's up guys? I'm here with another video of my keyboard. I just got this keyboard with my setup. This keyboard is called the Razer Hunstman Tournament Edition keyboard. The TKL TK10 keyless gaming keyboard with linear optical switches, instant actuation, customizable chroma RGB lighting, programmable macro functionality. Yeah, but this keyboard, it performs very well. For the first time I've got this, I definitely noticed that the keyboard is very like responsive. The keyboard, like, it clicks very fast. Like, if I was to play a game, I would definitely I would notice some fast reactions when it comes to this keyboard, like with the clicking and stuff. And it does light up when you click it, which is also a good feature. So yeah, so I would say, I would definitely purchase this keyboard. It has a 4.6 rating, 4.6 stars on Amazon. So it is renewed. It's like a reversion of the original. It's renewed, as you can see. Yeah, so it's like a reestablishment, I would say. So it's kind of, my fault. It's kind of filthy. It's kind of filthy right now. I do have to clean it, but it's just dust. It's just dust. It's not much, but like the keyboard does, it does have some good qualities to it. You could see the way it's like presented. Like it is a good keyboard. I just have it on no light mode right now. You could have it light up in like different switch, different modes and stuff. Let me just see. Yeah, but it does light up every time you click it. So I do like that. If I do say so myself. So yeah, this keyboard is really good. My fault. It is really good. Let me just show you the back. If I could show you the back, hold on one second. It does have some like switch at the back of it. You can see the entire like this detail of the keyboard. It is pretty good. As you can see, it does have like this like pop-up like this thing, so it can like this stand up. You see how it like stands up? Like it stands up. So that is a cool feature. If you was just wondering. But yeah, would I purchase this keyboard? Of course I would. If you need a keyboard at a good price range of like $70, I would get this keyboard. It is a good keyboard. Out of 10, from 1 to 10, I would rate it a 9 out of 10. This keyboard does perform very good, bro. When it comes to games and stuff, it does perform really good. So I would say purchase this keyboard, no cap. So hope you liked the video. I'm out.